Hello guys, here I am again today. So I would like to show to you guys what is a VLOOKUP and when can we use a VLOOKUP. So VLOOKUP is actually a function which is available within Excel. So it is used in order to get data from table in vertical format. So I would like to show some of the example. So you can see that, let's say if we have one table which consists of this set of data. So we have the name of the people, we have their ages, and then we have another set of data where we have the same name of people, and we have also the favorite color that they like. So basically with VLOOKUP we can merge these two set of data into the target table. So you can see down below, for example, we have the table with the name David, Martha and Agnes. Similarly, we will have the column of age, but additionally we add the information, the color information from the second table to the first table. So with this we can use VLOOKUP to get the data, copy and paste it into our target table. So how does the function looks like? So the function in the Excel looks like this. So you have a VLOOKUP and then the value that we would like to do a lookup, I would say a reference value, and then the target location, and then at which column index number that we would like to get the data from, and also lastly is the range of the lookup. So basically these are the function that we are going to call in the Excel in order to run VLOOKUP. Okay, maybe I can show to you guys some of the example of all the cases that we have. So let's say if we have for case number 1, the data set is quite simple. So the first one we have similarly to the example before, we have a set of data with 3 names and their ages 16, 15 and also 22. So we have also another set of data with the same name of people but with their favorite colors. So they are like green, yellow and also blue. So with this simple kind of data, normally what we do, if we want this color information to be at the target table, normally we will just copy and paste it. Here you go. So basically what we do is just we copy and paste as long as the reference value are in the same order. So this is quite simple. Or for the second case, let's say we have the same set of data but they are in different order. So let's say for the first table we have David, Robert and also Martha. However, in the second table they are in a different order. So the data start with Martha, David and also Robert. Of course, because of the I would say number of data set is quite simple, only 3 people. So normally what we do is that we just copy and paste. Let's say we have to make sure that they are in the correct order. So David, he likes green. Robert, he likes yellow. And Martha, she likes blue. There you go. So the difference between case 1 and case 2 is that case 1 basically the dataset is in the same order. We just copy and also paste. For case 2, the dataset is the same, but they are in a bit of a different order. Still, we can use a copy and paste function. Okay, what happened? Let's say if we have a large dataset and they are in different order. So in this case, for example, we have 8 number of people with different ages and also color. So if we would like to do the same thing as case 1 and case 2, this would take a lot of times, because you know, you have to make sure that the information is in line with the name of the person. So instead of doing copy and paste, this is where VLOOKUP comes in. So let's say we can call the VLOOKUP function. Before we call any function in Excel file, we have to start with the equal symbol, and then you just type in VLOOKUP. You can either type manually until end, or you can press tab button, and then you can see the information that we have to specify, I would say. So let's say in this case we wanted to use the name as our reference value or lookup value, because these are the information that is available in both of the table or data set. So let's say in this case lookup value, I choose David. So David is in B23, and then the table array would be where would be the table or set of data that I would like to take the data from. So in this case, I would take from here, and then the next one would be to define on at which column that we would like to take the info from. So let's say in this case it would be column number 2. So this would be column number 1, and what we want is column number 2. So the color, it would be 2, and then the range lookup would be false. So we can already have the information for David, which is green. So this is steady. So basically when we do the lookup function, normally we will log the area where we perform the lookup. So in this case normally how we do to log the table is that we will start with a dollar sign G22 and dollar sign, and also another dollar sign. So what this means is that the lookup will be done from G22, starting from here until H30. So it will not look up anything that is outside of the table here, outside of the table that we define. Okay, so the next step would be we just need to double click at the edge of our cell. So if you double click, then you can have the information for the rest of the people. So for the title, it would be same as on the right side, which is color. So if you check the information, this should be already tally from the first to the second table. Quite simple. So you don't need to copy one by one from table 2 to table 1. Okay, maybe let's go to the last case. For the last case, basically we have a large data set, different order, but we have more column. So let's say for case number 3, what we want is to add a column from color, but let's say for this case we wanted to add the column for gender. Okay, let's call the VLOOKUP function. The value that we wanted to look up, I just click on David. The table array, so basically from where that we wanted to perform the lookup, so I just select the table, and then we need to define which column that we wanted to add to our table. So let's say I wanted to add gender, so gender would be from our selected table is column 1, 2, 3. Which lookup value would be false. Okay, as I mentioned, normally we would define the boundary or the region for our lookup table. So in order to do so, you need to add a $sign. $sign and $sign. There you go. Then you have debit as a male. And as in previous case, in order to have the same function to the rest of the people, you just need to double click at the edge of the cell. There you go, and you have a set of data with the name of the people, age, and also the gender. Okay, so I think to refresh the things back, we have let's see 4 type of cases. For case number 1, simple data, same order, same data set order. Normally we will do copy and paste. Case number 2, simple set of data, different order. Also we will normally do a copy and paste. But if we have a large data set and also in different kind of order, this is where VLOOKUP comes in. And also for case number 4 is where, let's say, we have more and more columns in our data set. So I think I hope that the sharing will help you guys. If you like the video, please have to like and also subscribe to the channel. Okay, thank you so much. I see you guys soon. Bye.